Okay, we're starting now the words of Lam Natseach. Yesterday we did a little bit of an introduction into Ashrei and Lam Natseach to understand exactly the conclusion of Shachris, how it ends. We're now going to go into the words. I want to spend today on the words, and Be'ez Hashem tomorrow we're going to discuss the very important tefillah of Uvo L'Tzion. So Lam Natseach Mizmar LeDavid. The Vilna Gaon over here points out that this Mizmar actually contains 70 words, alluding to the 70-year Golus, the exile, before the building of the second Beis Hamikdash. So Lam Natseach Mizmar LeDavid, of course, David HaMelech was the one to say this, and there's a very important passage over here. Yamcha Hashem b'yoyim tzora. HaKadosh Baruch Hu should answer you on the day of your tzara. Now, that means immediately what we're doing is we're recognizing that when we have a tzara, there is only one address, and that's the Rabbeinu Shalom. When we have a difficulty, when we have a challenge, when we have something that comes in our way, stopping us to do that which we want to do, or things don't work out, the things that we want them to work out, whatever it may be, we have to rely on Hashem. And we're asking the Rabbeinu Shalom to answer us on the day of tzara, of distress. Yisagevcha Shem Elokei Yaakov Yishlach Ezrocha Mekodesh Umetzin Yezadeka. That means the Rabbeinu Shalom should send help, right, from the place of Kedusha, from the places of Eretz Yisrael, to be able to set you up, to support you. Yiskel Kol Minchaisecha, the Rabbeinu should remember all of your Minchaisecha, all of your offerings. V'iloschi Yadash Nesela. Of course, referring to the karbonos, which we're meant to be offering, which nowadays we don't have the opportunity to bring a carbon, but we do tefillah b'mokim carbon, or if you want to go even deeper, mesiras nefesh can also sometimes be b'mokim carbon. Yitin lecha chil vavecha. HaKadosh Baruch Hu, look at these words, by the way, we say this every day. Yitin lecha chil vavecha. HaKadosh Baruch Hu should grant you all of your desires in your heart. V'chalatzoscha yemalei. And all of your plans he should fulfill. These are big words of tefillah over here. Nuranino b'shua secha. Right? We should sing in happiness, in joyfulness, on the gewaldige salvation of Hashem Elokeinu Nigdal. Yemalei Hashem kol mishalei secha. Right? What a wonderful thing to say. HaKadosh Baruch Hu should grant all of your requests. Everything you ask should come true. Ato yodati, you know. Or meaning Atidati, meaning ourselves, we know, I know. Ki Hoshia Hashem Mishichai. HaKadosh Baruch Hu has saved the Mishicha, the anointed one. Ya'aneu Mishmei Kodshai, and will answer him from his mokim in heaven. B'gvuras Yesha Yeminoi, Eila B'rechev ve'Eila Basusim. Right? Some people with chariots, some people with horses, but Va'anachnu b'Shem Hashem Elokeinu Nazke. We at the end of the day always call out in the name of God, in the name of Hashem. Hey Makorov and Afolu, right? They went down to their knees, they bent down and they fell. But va'anachnu kamnu v'nisoidad, we get up, we rise up, we get invigorated, we get energized, which is incredible. And then we end with, of course, the famous Hashem Shia Melach Yanenu v'Yankurenu. Kodesh Baruch Hu save. King should answer us and save us on the day that we call out. What a beautiful tefillah that this entire mizmar that was written by David HaMelech really is. You could see David HaMelech from this Tehillim is begging the Rabbeinu Shalom to answer him at the time that he calls out in distress. And that is what a time that a person has to really call out in distress, when he's in a situation that he doesn't want to be in, when he's in whatever is a circumstance that he's not interested in being in. He's able to call out to Hashem. It's the greatest opportunity that we have. The Ummah Sa'olam, the Goyim, don't have this opportunity. They don't have anywhere to turn. We have to realize one of the greatest miles we have as being a Yid is the opportunity to turn to Hashem, the Melech Malchei Hamlochim, the creator of the world, of planet Earth, and on the entire universe. We're able to call out. He wants to hear our tefillahs. He's waiting for our davening. And at the end of the day, he's just wanting that connection and that relationship. And therefore, at the time of tzara is the greatest time that we can call out to him, because that's when from the depths of our heart we really mean every word that we say. And we ask our Kodesh Baruch Hu to help us and to answer all of our tefillahs, and all of our requests that we ask for should all be mukuyam. And in Mitzvah Hashem, tomorrow we're going to start the Gevaldige Tefillah of Uvo L'Tzion.